going to show in this video how to fix unable to execute the creation process failed code to the system cannot find the file specified error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to execute the file creation process, then I will show you simple method how to do this. In this, the first method is you have to just click on the search menu, then type here msconfig. Hit enter, or just click on this system configuration, click on boot, click on safe boot, click on apply, then click on OK. Then your system will be restarted to safe mode. After doing this, still you are facing this issue, then click on search menu again, then type here control panel. Click on control panel. Here you will find Windows Defender Firewall. Click on that. Click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then click on change setting. Then click on allow another app. Click on browse. Select your problematic app. I am just showing as an example of Chrome. Just select your application, then click on open, then click on add. Here you will find Google Chrome. You have to check mark both this private and public, then click on OK. After that, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix unable to execute file creation process failed code to the system cannot find the file specified. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.